To all of the brave first responders working around the clock to keep LA safe and during these LA wildfires, we want to help support you and say thank you. And so we are going to offer some free chiropractic care, some free adjustments to you. We may not be the closest office. We do want to do anything that we possibly can to help. And so contact us to schedule your free chiropractic adjustment. Let us help you maintain your strength and mobility while you're protecting everything that is left in Los Angeles. Thank you so much.